go vlog. Good job, Miranda.
Oh, I was like, what are you doing?
We're at the beach. Walking on the beach. Walking on the beach. No, from SpongeBob.
I just said
We're
walking on the
into
beach.
the
I can't do that, so. Stepping on the
We took a nap. And that's it.
It's a great vlog.
That's all I got for you.
It's so boring.
We went to go eat breakfast at Kiki's.
KK's.
And yeah.
Okay.
So that's it. Goodbye. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this one. That was hard to see. Hi, we're in the parking lot of Ben & Jerry's. We just ate Ben & Jerry's, and Alicia and Sofie here, and now we're gonna go home.
And then look at Miranda's legs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Fun.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's the end of the vlog. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Oh, it's still on.
I know. Okay. Goodbye.